Hey guys, welcome back to a very exciting episode. Today we're going to be changing over these standard factory tail lights to LED tail lights. So I'm so excited to show you guys what we have for you guys, and we've got some pretty exciting things coming up. So we're also going to be changing this Pajero sticker. As you can see, it looks a bit average. So yeah, I'm very excited to see whether we're going to go silver or black. But yeah, without further ado, let me show you how to install it and what it looks like. Let's get into it. Alrighty, so this must be one of the most exciting mods that I wanted to do to the long wheelbase Pajero. Now the good thing is guys, we're also going to be having short wheelbase Pajero versions on the website as well as the long wheelbase. So make sure you jump on the website budget4by4life.com, you'll see it on there. But yeah, it's pretty exciting. For the long wheelbase, there's a few options available. So the one that we're going to be doing today, I'll show you, is this one here. So this is one of 3 styles, I believe. So this will be the most popular option, guys, that I reckon. So we'll keep stock of these here in Australia. However, with the other 2, this is what they look like. With these ones, it will be an order-in basis. So we'll ship these directly from the supplier, guys, because we don't have the room to stock all of these lights, and it's also pretty expensive and premium. So instead, we're going to send out these directly from the supplier. It only takes about 10 days because we do ship them express. So happy days, whereas these ones will be in Australia. So I'll get the one as well. All right, so here's the other one. So here you go, guys. That is the new LED lights. Now, the good thing about this, guys, is they just look awesome. So as you can probably tell from the theme that I want to go with this car is the grey and black. I love the color. It's definitely my favorite color out of the Pajeros. Silver coming in second closest, but yeah, this graphite, charcoal, whatever you want to call it, dark grey is awesome. But anyway, so this will tie in nicely. So let me quickly tell you all about this light. Okay, so with these lights, guys, the good thing about them is they have LED daylight running lights. So these ones here, it will also have indicator lights, reverse lights, and then brake lights. So the good thing about it is they are plug and play as well. So there's the plug right there. So it's pretty easy to install them, guys. I'll show you right away. And then once we've installed them, I'll take off this plastic and we can take a proper look at them and see what they look like. So let's get into that. Okay, so first up, guys, how to install them. Open up your boot. Now this process will be the same for the short wheelbase as well. Now over here, as you can see, there's a screw on the top and the screw at the bottom. So essentially you just undo that and the pipe should just come out as is. And then on this side, there's a screw at the top there and a screw at the bottom there. So just undo them and we'll get it out. Okay, cool. So that was nice and easy. So as you can see, it's just that plug that needs to be unplugged either side. Make sure the clips have come out of these holes as well. So I'll show you what I mean. So over here, you can see that clip right there. That is still on it. So it's very important to take that off and put it over onto the new one. So if it comes out looking like that, it means the plastic is still stuck in the holes. So just make sure you get that and you transfer it over to the new lights. So as you can see over here, I've put it on there and on the bottom as well. So it's already on there, whereas the new light on this side, there you go. So it does not have the clips on it yet. So we need to put that plastic clips onto it. It's very important just so it doesn't rattle. So there's the first one, so that's going to go on, and then I need to get this one off here. Now the easiest way to do it, guys, is just to use a small screwdriver. You just open up the front clips a little bit, and then what you do is you can just pull on it and it will just come straight off. So yeah, let's quickly put it onto the other lights, and then we'll put them in. All right guys, we're nearly there. We are nearly there. Everything's bolted up, as you can see, plug and play, which is awesome. Now, before I show you guys what it looks like, we got to change this first so we get the whole look. Now, what do you guys reckon? Do I go silver? Yeah, I don't know. Or do I go black? Ooh, I reckon I'm gonna go black. That looks awesome. So let's quickly get that off. Whack the new stickers on, guys. These are also on the website, by the way. And yeah, then we'll put the lights on and we'll see the whole effect. So yeah, I'm super excited. Let's quickly do this. Righty ho, it is safe to say I absolutely love it, guys. So there you can see what it sort of looks like. Now I did try and, you know, cleaned it all off, see what it looks like without a sticker, but it does look a bit bare, you know, like doesn't look like there's anything going on. Hopefully we can sort out the number plate soon as well. For my birthday I'm gonna ask for a special plate, so we'll see what that looks like. But yeah, honestly the black looks awesome. So there you can see, I reckon it looks really good instead of nothing being there. But yeah, it definitely suits the vehicle. But anyway, let me put it on the tripod, guys. I'm gonna put the lights off, get it nice and dark, and yeah, we'll turn on the lights, see what it looks like. Okay guys, so here we go. I'm gonna switch off the lights and we'll see what it looks like. Oh man, I'm so excited. All right, so as you can see, that's nice and dark. Obviously as dark as I can possibly get it in here. But anyway, let's walk and turn on the ignition. First one. Oh, something's happening now. There you go. Oh, that looks so good. And that's the next one, which I don't think anything changes. All right, let me have a look. Oh yes, that looks awesome. All right guys, so it turns out you don't have the daytime running lights, which is unfortunate. Obviously you can wire it differently if you really want to. And you know, you can have these lights on permanently when you start up the car. I reckon that would look pretty mean. But anyway, let's put some brakes on it, see what happens. Okay, so that is with brakes. That is without. That is with brakes. That is without. All right, let's check on the hazards. All right, so that is what that one there looks like. All right, and that's brake again. No brake. And then that's left. And that's right. All right, let's chuck it in reverse. Boom, there you go. Let me have a quick look, see how bright that is. Give you guys an honest opinion. All right, let's have a look. Okay, so it's actually not too bad, guys. Wow, that looks awesome. That looks really good. It's not too bad. Like, it is LED. So it's definitely going to be a bit brighter than usual, than your normal halogens, but it's pretty good. It's pretty good. It's not going to be as bright, you know, without the light. But if you turn on the reverse light as well, so that is much brighter. So I'll show you guys what the difference is now. So that is just by the tail lights itself, and this is with the reverse light. So as you can see, there's a pretty big difference between the two, but yeah, there you go. So that is all the lights on right now. So I'm pretty happy with it. Right guys, well there you go. That is the end result of the lights. I'm absolutely stoked with it. I reckon it suits the car perfectly, especially the smoked color. It just blends in with the gray and I just love it guys. So yeah, like I mentioned, the only thing that I wish they had is that these lights were daytime running lights. That would be awesome. But if you're a bit of a 12 volt, you know, Sparky Guru sort of thing, you can easily wire it so it has a constant 12 volts. So then it would stay like that when the car is running. But yeah, for these lights to go on, unfortunately at this stage you have to turn on your lights for it to go on, but you know, that's perfectly fine. I reckon it looks awesome guys. What do you reckon? I'm pretty stoked about it, and like I said, there's a few different ones guys, so both for the short wheelbase and the long wheelbase Pajero, and also for the Gen 3 and Gen 4 we'll have LED lights on the website, so you can go and check them out guys. But yeah, what do you reckon? I'm in love and I'm super stoked of how it turned out, and yeah, it just looks great with the car. So yeah, thank you so much for watching guys. For all you watching as well, I want to give you a special discount. So use this code at checkout and you'll get yourself a discount on these lights because you legends watch till the end of the video. So thank you so much for your support. Make sure you like, subscribe on the channel as well. There's a lot that needs to be done on this Pajero, and yeah, it's all coming. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you know when the next video drops. Anyway, thanks so much guys, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. See ya. Bye.